The Red Sea is boiling. No, not with water, but with the geopolitics here. Hello and welcome to Times XP. I am Trutiyatri, and be it missiles, be it drones, be it the explosions in the sky, cargo ships zigzagging like they are in the war zone, and in the middle of all this chaos, the United Nations is pleading. No, literally pleading. Stop the attacks, stop the missiles, stop the drones. But the Houthis, the Iran-backed Houthis, they are not even blinking. The United Nations ring the loudest alarm right now. Inside the UNSC chamber, diplomats sat tense and exhausted. Papers everywhere, screens showing smoky images of burning ships in the Red Sea. And after that, the United Nations fired its strongest warning so far. The Houthi attacks must stop now. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Because the global shipping lanes are collapsing under fear. Insurance costs is exploding. In fact, world trade is zigzagging through longer, riskier routes. This is not just Yemen's war anymore, ladies and gentlemen. It's everybody's problem. But then something shocking happened. The West expected a united front, right? A global chorus against the attack. But instead that China abstained. Russia abstained. Two of the world's biggest power, all silent, emotionless, watching from the sidelines like chess players waiting to see that who panics first. The message was really subtle but very, very powerful. This is your crisis, not ours. And the room, all frozen. Sanctions expanded. Crackdowns intensify, but are they really working? Well, Western nations immediately pushed harder. That means more sanctions, more names added to the blacklist here, and more surveillance in the Red Sea. And lastly, more naval escorts for the merchant ships. But the attacks, they haven't stopped, not even slowed down. The Houthis, they have become bold, bolder than ever before because Gaza is still burning and they believe that they are fighting a larger war here. Let's talk about the Gaza shadow over the Red Sea right now. Make no mistakes, ladies and gentlemen, every single drone here, every single missile, every hijack attempt in the Red Sea, all is in name of Gaza. Houthis say that they are targeting ships that are linked to Israel, the US and its allies. But in reality, almost every ship, every single ship is now a potential threat. A global trade is all choked just because of regional conflict. It refuses to die. It's a nightmare for the world trade right now. Can you picture this? Cargo ships rerouting thousands of kilometers, that too delays, all there, oil prices skyrocketed, supply chains cracking down, insurance companies, they are panicking. One choke point, and that is Bab al-Mandeb is now holding the world hostage. The last time it happened? Well, the Ever Given blocked the Suez Canal. The time, it's not accidental either. It's war. China and Russia are staying cold. You know why? That's the bigger twist. While the US, the UK, France and others, they also shout for the action, China and Russia, they simply step back. Basically, no veto, no support, just icy silence right now. Let's dwell into the reason. Because instability in the Red Sea hurts the West the most. Its trade, its supply chain, its energy flow here. And Beijing and Moscow, they know that. Sometimes power isn't just about action, right? It's about inaction too. The world is right now entering a dangerous new phase. The Red Sea crisis is no longer a shipping issue. It's no longer a regional war. It is no longer a temporary threat. It has become a global pressure point. One spark in Gaza creates a storm in Yemen, which triggers panic in Europe, which shakes the market in Asia, which disrupts the factories, and that too worldwide. Everything is connected and everything is fragile right now. This is the new world that we are living in. One missile strike away from a global economic shock.